Well, hello everybody. We're on the road again. Just getting out on the road again. You singing that song on the road again. Yeah. I know. Don't give up that day job. Just don't give up that other job, huh? Until we got the bikes all together, the bike's running. She's running pretty darn good. She got her chain bearings, brakes, all done. Got her all done. She got her rolling good. Of course, I'm not going to take her up to high speeds or anything until, you know, I get her everything seated in real well. I'm not silly crazy, or am I? She might be. I am riding in the rain. Well, drizzle. This ain't quite rain. It'd be drizzling. I just wanted to get her out and about. I guess we can mark this one up as another job well done. Yep. Everything feels great. I'll recheck the torque specs and everything. Make sure everything's nice and snug. But yeah, everything is doing good. It seems like. The goat sporting nice blue chain. Yes, I color matched it. It was actually cheaper, believe it or not, color matched chain than it was to go with a normal color chain. A metal color chain. I was like, oh, I'll go ahead and color match. I'll go ahead and go blue. So she got blue. She got blue. Everything feels really good. I think I'm gonna call this one a win. We got a W on this one. We got a W. I never talk like that. Oh no. How dare I? How dare I? How dare I? We got a win on this one. Nice job, well done. You know, it took me forever. It felt like to get it done. Bike's all done. She's all back together, just the way I like her. She feels good. This is MuzzleMike, hoping you all have a great day. Signing out.